Hi everybody. It turns out my recording stopped, so we missed the pull of 1 1/4 boxes. I was super excited to pull this Tamer card, Davis. Davis is a wannabe Ty, but he has Vmon, so he's cooler than Ty. And then I got Ultra Force Vidramon X Antibody, who I think is actually going in the deck I'm trying to build. So that is super fucking awesome. Go ahead and take a look at that. And we haven't really gotten any pulls from these yet because we're only on the third card. So we'll go back. We didn't miss any cool cards from the other ones, so don't worry about that, Greymon. We got this one. We have Ren. Oh, whatever, Mon. Ooh, look at that. We got another Impenetrable Mon Dragon Mode. Who I really like as a Digimon. And then we got War Growlmon. That's kind of cool. Let's put those in the sleeves. All right, next pack. Place Demon. Wizardmon X Antibody. We've gotten a whole bunch of these. Digimon. Flamemon. Hardest part of card opening is keeping them in the fucking camera. There we go. I don't think I pulled this card yesterday. I might have. Yeah, I did. Gokumon. Danemon. Wormmon again. Yay. I like Wormmon. Gundramon. Arise Greymon. We pulled one of these yesterday. And Shining Blast, which we also pulled yesterday. I kind of ruined the lighting a little bit, but it's easier for me not to shit, that was a bad open. I still say this is my favorite card art. Shoutmon. Yeah, this is a lot easier on my arms, hands, and it probably looks better for you guys because I'm not stretching my whole body across. Growlmon. Ooh, look at this artwork. Footmon. Yakimon. Ekimon. He's like a pencil. He's a fucking pencil Digimon. Shoutmon King version. Stingmon again. Hell yeah. Anything that Digivolves from Wormmon is awesome in my books. Oh, look at this. We didn't get this one the other day. Look at that. That was awesome. Let's actually open the pack correctly this time, unlike last time. And we start off with Agumon. Gmon. Mikemon. Agumon. Dobermon. Besumon? It looks like a weird version of Gatsumon. Or I guess you call Tailmon in Japanese. And for some reason, people like really like her, which is weird. Even if it is Kari's Digimon. Uh, ooh, I don't think I've seen Overflowing Power. The trainer who has Impmon. That's some cool artwork on it. If you see any good cards, let me know, guys. I kind of check them later on my little collectible thing to see if any are actually really good, and then I start looking to see if they're actually good cards to play in, because some cards aren't that great for the game, but they're worth more money because they're rare. You know, Geogreymon. I have a lot of the Geogreymon, so maybe I can make a yellow red deck around the Agumons as well. Swimmon. Yesamon? Yasamon? Yasimon? Gainmon? Sagamon? Uh, I think that's Potassiummon or Opacin. I don't know. I can't say it. I can't read. Can't speak. I don't even have my glasses on, so seeing some of these are kind of hard. Okay, Segmon. Uh, Balzamon. Okay, so we got him yesterday, and we got this yesterday. For 5. We're down to our last 5 packs, guys. This aside. So I don't know why opening packs is so difficult for me. I've been doing it my entire life. And I think it's just because I've never been actually one who shows or who like does pack openings until recently. And I guess I gotta get used to doing pack openings because you'll see me on the Lethal Deck channel, which I will put uh, above. Home Run Blast. Another trainer card. XVmon. Ooh, look at this. V-Laser. Okay. I haven't gotten this card. And then Paliamon. So that's awesome. This is the DNA Digivolve. So that's awesome. Those are both cards I can use. And this one's fucking sick. Now, I've heard that this isn't even a good deck anymore, but it does have DNA Digivolving of 2 of my favorite Digimon. So even if I can't do well in the card game against other people, I'm going to try anyways. You know, because that is playing cards I like is more important than playing cards that will win for me. I've never been someone who plays into the meta in any card game I play. I mean, I still use e-heroes in Yu-Gi-Oh, and I'll use Ancient Gears as well, who bricks harder than any other deck I've ever played in my life. So we got more Digimon cards. Automon. Oh, that's cute. We've seen that a bunch of times, but that's the first time I actually looked at the artwork. Um, so what decks do you guys run? Do you Like what color, and do you have like someone? War Groundmon, this is the second one we pulled, I believe, in this video. And then Grankawuamon. That's pretty nice. I hope most of these cards are in the view. I'm trying to put them directly over the other cards when I show them, because that way they're in the right angle order or whatever. 3 packs left. We got this, guys. Do you guys like pack openings? Do you like watching the pack openings, or would you rather have gameplay? Because I like to play. So on this, I'm waiting for the online version, because for me to do gameplay, I'd have to find someone else who has a deck. Because playing on the online ones, they're like, we'll hit you for copyright. So that's kind of cool. And that's a you, okay. Overflowing Power again. That's the second one we've got there. And then Aldemon. I don't think we got this card yesterday, so I know we haven't got it today. You ever watch the pulling of cards where they're just like overexcited about everything, and it's like it feels like the fakest videos ever? So Doberman, don't worry, you won't get those kind of videos from me. I don't get super overexcited. I think the most you see is when I get a Digimon that I like, and I just kind of show a little bit of excitement, where I was like, yeah, that's awesome. Okay, so we have the reverse art of this one from the limited. So that's kind of cool. Now we have this one, Demi Vmon, Burning Greymon. So the voice of Vmon is actually the voice of one of the spiders in Rise Greymon again. We got another one of those. One of the spiders in wow. I got Davis again. Is one of the voices for the spiders in Demon Slayer. And I was like, oh, it's Vmon. And I got like super excited when I first yeah, that's my super excited. Oh yeah, right? when we saw him. So this is the last pack of the box. We're hoping that it's something good. We got an SEC already, so we probably won't get another one, but let's Flamemon, Bugamon, or something like that, close enough. Bergamon, Wisemon, Greymon, Geckomon, Home Run Bat, or Blast. I kind of like the name of that one because I love baseball. Um, Damon, Ryoma, the trainer. I don't know how to say that. Takia. And our last card, Ancient Wisemon. So I think the trainer card looks cooler. So that is it for the packs, guys. Thank you so much. Ugh. Oh, we're super zoomed in. That's right. Thank you, everybody, for being here. That was the end of the packs, and I'll see you in the next video.